We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. And now we're excited to share the great news with you. Take a look. When someone takes the time to reach out to us about our great service, it's like a boost of energy and an affirmation that we're doing an impeccable job. And we just love to share the news. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.